Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary and today I have an unboxing for you. This is my first subscription box from our atelier. It is a collection of ephemera, stickers, and generally a stamp pad as well for journaling. It comes extremely well wrapped, first in a plastic envelope, and then to further weatherproof it, it's wrapped in cellophane. Subscription boxes from our atelier always have this beautiful front piece in the packaging that uses a little wax seal and several of the pieces that you'll find inside the box. It looks like that's all on a little sheet of handmade paper. So beautifully done. Fleur de mousse is the little inscription at the top. It's personalized with my name. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is an ex Libris book plate with a woman playing the piano and this beautiful starry night diagram also on the book plate. The wax seal is gorgeous. It says Our Atelier. There's a little ephemera here with sheet music, and then this beautiful butterfly sheet music motif with looks like a Renaissance woman with a beautiful braid that comes all the way down her back. Gorgeous, I love it. I will cut the twine so I can slip this off. That alone is a beautiful piece that can be used in a journal or broken down and used in pieces. Now, I will put the pricing information on the screen for you. I can't remember what I paid. I believe it was right around $36. Okay, and I will just remove everything from its bubble wrap pouch and from the box. Looks like there are three large envelopes, a smaller envelope, a stamp. Oh, I'm thrilled with the stamp. This will be the first thing I open. It is the stamp that they created this composite design with. So, ooh, it's gorgeous. It says Fleur de Mousse at the top. So this looks like it comes in two pieces. And these are just the little stamps that require an acrylic block, which I already have. And the first smaller stamp says Fleur de Mousse up at the top. This is a larger stamp all in one piece. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. I love the woman's Renaissance headdress and the braid and the music and the butterfly. It's just so, so, so pretty. I would have certainly bought this alone. Okay, let's open the little stamp block. Okay, so this is just a traditional stamp, and it says Chateauroux, shall we ship by mail or express? It's just a kind of an ephemera stamp from a shipping company, 20th to 21st Street, New York City. Super cute. I like it. Okay, let's see what the washi roll is. Everything is wrapped beautifully. Everything has a little sticker with the Our Atelier logo on it. This looks like a washi tape roll with a variety of designs. And my only issue with wide washi tape is that sometimes I tear it. In other words, it's hard to get the full width in one go if you're uncoordinated like me. Okay. It does have a backing on it, so gorgeous. It's got these medieval designs. It looks like this is a sculpture or a drawing. A little bit of Dutch influence, a little classical statuary. This one looks more like a religious figure, and so far I don't see any repeats. Here we go. It looks like we have three different designs before it repeats. It's a good amount of text separated by these picture frames. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like that. So far, I love every piece. Okay, let's look at this little glassine envelope. I'm going to try to carefully peel these so I can use those stickers. Such a pretty envelope. I will definitely reuse these glassine envelopes. Super cute. These are ephemera. I don't believe they're stickers. They feel like cardstock, and they're labels for Chopin de Nocturne. Super nice. Love those. Oh, and then a little postcard also of Chopin. I love those. Pretty, pretty ephemera. Very 19th century. So far, I love the vibe of this whole package. Okay, let's bust into some of these larger glassine envelopes. I love the packaging. I've seen some unboxings that I will link below from this company, our Atelier, and it is always just such a value for the money, in my opinion, and completely unique. So if you're tired of what you see at your local big box craft store, I think that these subscription boxes are a wonderful, wonderful way to go. Oh, look at that. I have the 9.5. This, of course, is an allusion to Harry Potter, 9.5. That's the number of the platform. Let's put that on white so you can see that. This is a little paper cut ballerina, which I will put on the wood desk so you can see that. Very delicate cut paper. I love these little labels. This one has some florals, a 6 or a 9, additional labels. These are not stickers, these are just paper ephemera. Oh, I love these. These are a stamp cut out from a handmade floral paper. More handmade floral paper. Oh, a second dancer cut out. Very pretty, very delicate. Calendar for May 2021. Oh, with peacocks. Very Art Deco Whistler-esque. I love it. More floral cutouts. So this is a little notepad that's stamped with "Bird loves to hear himself sing," which is a perfect companion for my favorite Hobonichi cover, which is by Ryoji Arai. And he titles this one, "I Don't Think Anyone Knows, But I'm Always Singing." And I love it so much that actually this one is a folder inserted into a clear cover on cover, but this one is in the A6 size. I have that Hobonichi cover. It's adorable. It is perfect companion. I love the sentiment. And this is probably a dozen individual sheets, a little gum binder at the top. More labels, tickets, check number on vellum for feedback. That's a great idea. A man's best friend are his 10 fingers. That's wonderful. I'm just getting back to writing my novel, so I love that saying. More ephemera, Biloxi City Dairy, fresh milk butter, daily products. More ticket / ephemera, a little envelope ephemera, super cute with lavender. Of course, you could absolutely use this for some happy mail, snail mail. Music ephemera sheets. More music ephemera sheets. I love it. A music ephemera printed on vellum. Friday. This looks like a vellum, maybe a sticker, but I think that's just a vellum. A little Paris vellum with music motif at the bottom. More luggage tags. Vellum, additional vellum. I mean, look at the stack. I'm probably only halfway through the stack in just this one envelope. Additional vellums with dates, and these are set up so that you can choose month and up at the top and indicate what month you're in. Super cute. The new Steinway $500 Vertigran piano. Super cute. This would be a great bookmark if it were sturdier. As it is, it's just a little bit lightweight, which makes it a wonderful tip-in for a journal. More numbered ephemera. This is fun to use for your days of the week. Another little Friday vellum. Additional numbers, 11 and a half. 15 and 14. So that, I'm going to be very careful putting this back in the envelope so I don't tear up those paper cutouts. That looks like so much fun. That alone, I would have been happy with the subscription, but I still have 2 more envelopes to go. The second large envelope, also vellum. I see additional paper cutouts, so I'm going to try to be very careful. Paper cutout, another dancer, different size. Now these are stickers, so everything you see, except for with the exception of this cutout, will be a sticker in this envelope. A little to-do, a little stationery fragment, additional letters, and all of these are stickers. Washi stickers of washi tape, that's cute. Additional washi tape stickers. Another composite washi tape sticker, a little bell sticker. This one I can't read even with my glasses. Postcard sticker, all kinds of just super cute labels. I will spread these out. Oh, I like these with the green border. So several date numbers, to-do, number, more of these postcardy ledger kind of stickers, washi. This is fascinating. This looks like a piece of webbing. I feel like it's a fabric lacing that has been stiffened with something. So maybe it's raffia, maybe it's a stiff linen fiber, but that is really, really cute and will be interesting for layering in a journal. Music paper. These are not stickers, these are ephemera. A length of music washi tape with paper backing. These are fascinating. More of that lace motif. Looks like a handmade lacy paper. I'll zoom closely in on these. They've been cut out with a little die cut, half moon, and then 2 of these little almost quatrefoil borders. Hey, look, we got a Canadian maple leaf, 2 of those. A little time symbol, always good for journaling. These are cardstock cutouts. I don't believe they're stickers, they're just cutouts. More stickers in a kind of a rectangle label size. And then some of these, ooh, these are interesting. These are printed on Mylar. I don't believe these are stickers. These are just Mylar designs, and they come in 4 unique designs. So that is my sticker envelope. Really love it. I'm going to carefully put these larger pieces in back first. All right. And then the final is a packet of larger ephemera sheets. So this typically contains handmade papers and just the type of sheets that you can cut or tip into your journal and use for individual pages. I love this blend of statuary and garden gate. Gorgeous. This really does connect to my personal aesthetics. And I think that this subscription box, at least for the unboxings that I've seen on YouTube, I can say that about all of them. So there we go, another music sheet. They are kind of a rice paper, so they're semi-transparent. I don't know if you can see that as I layer them on this wooden tabletop. Oh, and there's a sheet of that gorgeous handmade paper, so you can see that design. very lacy. This is interesting. This feels like just a packing material paper, but it is super pretty. A beautiful teal color that's intensified as you layer it. This reminds me of just a beautiful handmade paper. It does have a laid design. Oh, it looks like I've got them doubled up. So you can see that kind of vertical line, I hope, on there. That's an impression that's made by the actual screen that they create the paper on. And this one has embedded glitter in it. So very pretty. I like that an awful lot. And then 2 additional kind of faux antique sheet music sheets. Super cute. Love it. Love everything about this. I will show you what the stamp looks like for this on just a sheet of scrap paper that I have. This was the wrapping for one of my Midori notebooks. Okay, we will stamp in gold first and then in blacks to give you an idea of what the transfer looks like. There she is in gold. And there she is in black. That allows you to really create your own ephemera on your own handmade paper or your own scrap paper. So I'm always happy to add to my little stamp collection. I'm going to go and clean my stamp now. I do want to thank you so much for joining me. I am really happy with this collection from our Atelier. I will absolutely get at least 1 additional subscription box from them, if not 2 additional. I'm not trying to build a tremendous stockpile, so I'm not looking to go crazy with stickers, but I'm happy periodically to add to my stash. So I don't currently own an acrylic block large enough to cover the entire stamp, but I could either piece it together carefully with registration marks or purchase a larger block. I think there's a beautiful impact with that larger size stamp design. My only disappointment is that I did not receive any of these ex Libris designs, so that's a bit of a disappointment, but I'm not completely heartbroken. Overall, I'm extremely happy with my purchase. At the end of the month, I will be sharing with you some journal spreads in my Hobonichi, so you'll be seeing some of these materials in that video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a lovely day, and if you're new to my channel, if you enjoyed this unboxing, if you're interested in book content, planner content, writing, or journaling, please consider subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks. Ciao.